everyone, welcome back to Zanele and thank you so much guys for tuning in. I'm here to update you of what's going to happen on House of Zwide from the 15th to the 19th of August 2022 on Monday. Zanele get caught between Faith and Funani and has to make a tough choice. Meanwhile, Funani find a way to reach honor on Tuesday. Mlefe continues to hide Isaac from the family and Faith's plan backfires in the worst possible way on Wednesday. Faith continues to lose her grip on reality while a mishap with Dorothy leads to Rhea making a shocking discovery on Thursday. Zanele crosses the line to save Zanele from making the wrong decision. Meanwhile, Rhea confronted Bracketta about the heist on Friday. Les pull a desperate move when she feels Funani is neglecting the business. Meanwhile, Faith takes drastic action to get rid of Busi. Guys, this is all I have for today. You can leave your comment below and share your opinion. Bye.